Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. We're changing the fuel filter on the Smart CDI. It's a UK model. As you see, we put it on the ramp. Still is difficult, and the fuel filter is situated on the offside. The offside is the driver side in the UK, exactly on the point of the rear wheel, as you see underneath here. So I already changed the filter. As you see that little red button, you push it in and you pull the pipe out. You shouldn't disturb the pipe because they are brittle, they're going to break. Just put it one side, and there are two clips, as you see, on the top of the filter, this side here. See, I must keep the torch there, here, and on the top, holding the whole unit. Push this one back a little bit and the other one a little bit up, pull it a little bit forward, and remove the rear hose. Exactly same thing, the rear pipe. Just push the little red button and then pull it out, insert the new one. So difficult even on the ramp, it's not in the right place. Thanks for watching, bye.